Hi, my name is Jake Nilsson, and today I will be displaying the final state of the ProShop app. So the first thing we did is we implemented the reviews. We created the background route, and then we put it into each of these product screens. And we have a system where it loads previous reviews and stuff like that. Like this one I made a while ago, and it's still here. Um, we have a system where after you leave a review, like I'm currently in the admin account, this is my admin. If I try and make another review, it has error checking to make sure that you can't review something twice. It also shows the important user info, like the date posted and the name. Then we implemented pagination. So I tried to record this before, and in that recording, I added like 4 sample products so that on the main page you can see this has a second page that you can navigate to. We also implemented this pagination into the product listing for the admin. So you see all these items, you can go to the second page and see a couple more items that were not on page 1. We then added the main page product carousel up here, which flips through 3 given items in the latest products item listing. And speaking of products, we changed the metadata to a selected product. Whenever we go to like iPhone Pro Memory, if I go to ProShop, up here it says welcome to ProShop all the time. But then I go here to the Logitech G Series gaming keyboard and the title is the same. I actually fixed a bug here where sometimes you would go to a particular product but then press the ProShop button and then the title would stay as the product name. But I changed it slightly to make it so that it will always go back to welcome to ProShop once you reach this main page. Then we created the product build using a free plan with render. We deployed it, we set up the ProShop GitHub, and we had to add all of the environment variables since it wouldn't work with the .env file that we had been using before for development. Then afterwards, we did image bug fixing. If I go to the product listing and I take one of these samples and I choose a file that is let's say an MP3, that's not something that's viable for an image, but when I upload it, it says images only. It doesn't let me upload it. So that's pretty cool. Then after that, we made a couple other small improvements. We prevented undefined searches. So, what? Oops. I don't know what happened there. We prevented undefined searches. So we added the or plus an empty string to be checked on top of the actual query, just in case if this is blank, it doesn't crash the system, it actually just puts an empty string there instead. We made a new check object ID file to validate these the product object IDs, and after the session ends for each user, because before, if you were logged into a different account after someone else used that same computer, it would keep the items in the cart. So we made it so that all those items got cleared. Finally, we fixed the PayPal bugs that would allow users to get products for free, and that also involved changing calculations to the server side instead of client side, so that the user can't interact with them in ways that allow them to set prices to 0 or stuff to delivered, that kind of stuff. So that is the final implementation of the app. Thank you for your time.